Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add Capital One shopping to desktop. So, the first thing that you will have to do is go to chromeweb.store.google.com, and you have to make sure that that Capital One, that your country actually has Capital One, and that you would actually be able to add this extension to your web browser. So once you're on Chrome Web Store, what you will have to do is search for Capital One. And if your country has this extension, then you should see it right here. So if you don't see it, however, if you don't see it, it basically means that your country doesn't have it. But if you do see it, what you will just have to do is you will click it, and then you will basically just have to add it to your web browser, and that's just it. And I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.